This is the Smart Switch Pro. To begin, open the GarageSmart app, go to the Devices menu, and tap the plus sign. Scan the QR code on the back of the switch, give it a name, and tap Save. The Smart Switch name and icon will be added to your Devices menu. Mount the Smart Switch wall plate by removing the 3M backing and sticking it to the wall. We designed the Smart Switch to be easily accessed by simply placing it into the wall plate, or removed by pushing on the light bar at the top of the switch and while grasping the switch at the bottom, lifting it out of the wall plate. To use the Smart Switch, go to the GarageSmart app and go to the Devices tab. Tap the Smart Switch icon. The app may prompt you to turn on the Smart Switch by pressing the center button. You can program the switch to perform multiple actions by selecting any of the color-coded scenes or groups. Choose what items you would like to include in that group, then tap Next. Select what you want those items to do when you tap the top or bottom button. You might want your spotlights to turn on at 50% brightness, along with your power drop, or perhaps just one light, or just the power drop. Once programmed, the upper and lower buttons function as on-off switches, while the middle button allows you to switch between scenes or groups. If operating a spotlight with one of the groups, tap the upper or lower button to turn it on or off. If you want to change the brightness, holding down the upper button will increase the brightness. Holding down the lower button will decrease brightness. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.